YouTube. Excited to have y'all here today. Today we're gonna kick off our sides videos. These videos, you may wanna cook whatever, steak and a gravy, not quite sure what to cook with it. We're gonna have a side section right here for you to go back and scroll through and find out what sides you like. Today we're gonna start our sides videos off with potato salad. Goes great with barbecues or anything really smoked. I think you'll enjoy that. Our potato salad is a little different than most potato salads. So, see you in the kitchen. Be ready for potato salad. Yellow. How we doing today? Today we're going to be making potato salad. Cajun style potato salad. What you see right here is some very simple ingredients. We have potatoes, mustard, mayo, black pepper, salt, and eggs. A lot of people put all these dill and fancy things in their potato salad. Every person that ever came to my house and ate potato salad always told me it's the best potato salad I ever had, and it has very simple ingredients in it. So you don't gotta put 100 different things in there like they do on TV. Ooh, apple cider and all these crazy things you put in potato salad. Potatoes, eggs, mayo, mustard, salt, pepper. Best potato salad you ever had. Promise you. Phenomenal. What we have here is about 10 pounds of potatoes. We're gonna get that going. Okay, I want to put that on high. I want to ball this. I'm gonna ball my eggs inside my potatoes. Just one in that pot. 9 eggs. 10 pounds of potatoes. Want to know why we only have 9 eggs? Because that's what we had left over from breakfast this morning. We only got 9 eggs. We get 9 eggs in the potato salad. That's how we roll. I'll let that cook down. We'll be right back. All right. Our potatoes been cooking about 30 minutes. A good way to tell if your potatoes are ready or not is when you cube them, you just grab it with the side of the spoon right here. And if it's easy to break, look at that, cut like butter. Potatoes are ready. Now I'm gonna show you how to peel these eggs. Easy way to peel these eggs. Never have to fight with that ever again. Stay tuned. All right, well we have our egg. It's a little warm. We just took it out of the boiling water. We want to cool it off a little bit. Okay. What we're gonna do is just kind of knock that edge a little bit. I like to break mine a little bit. And once I do that, I'm gonna peel this little edge like that. Okay, I'm gonna take this spoon, I'm gonna just slip it in between there and just turn that like that. Whole egg peel, about 10 seconds. Got that? So for my potato salad, I want to separate my egg whites and my yolks. Make me a little sauce for my potato salad. Get back with you on that when I finish peeling these potatoes. Matter of fact, just to show you that I wasn't lying and it's very simple to do. I'm gonna get Engineer Sergeant, Aaron Sergeant. Come on here, Sergeant. Listen, go ahead and cool that egg off right quick. Right? Beat your egg down a little bit. Crack it up pretty good around here now. Okay? Now peel you a little bit, just pinch a little piece over there where you can get your rookies. I would have had 6 eggs peeled already. So, there you go. And just peel it and turn it. Just turn it on the side. There you go. Look at that. Beautiful egg peel. Alright. What I'm going to do here is just cut my egg whites down in pieces like this. That's all I really need. Alright. And for this, I'm going to smash these yolks up. Bringing out blue plate, not red plate or yellow plate. Blue plate mayo is my favorite. It's the one I like the best. Alright, just a little bit of mayo, not a lot. I'll mix this in together. It's a little extra step. When you do this, you don't get those big clumps of yolk in your potato salad. People put it. I don't put it. Everything in my potato salad is going to be whipped. Okay? Alright. Get our strainer. Alright. Got our potatoes strained, all the water strained out of our potatoes. You can see this is still very hot. So what we want to do is take our whites. Put that in there, right? Make sure we get all that in there. Look, I don't want to waste too much. Alright, I'm going to take some mayo. Not too much. Not too less. Not too little. I'm going to start out with about half the jar, since we have about 10 pounds of potatoes. Alright? And of course the old trusted mustard. Alright. And we're going to mix this. We're gonna Zydeco. As you can see, we're still real dry, so we need to add us a little more mayo in there. Right here. And look, we have 10 pounds of potatoes. Got 9 eggs. Why 9 eggs? Because that's what we had left. Okay. And we're going to leave just a little bit in the bottom, just in case I need a little extra. Alright. And then we're going to use this. Come with our little extra right there. And sometimes when you're cooking, duty calls, and you got to make that call. Stay tuned, we'll be right back to finish up this potato salad right after we put out this fire. And listen, all we have left now, I want to show you this. Come on in here right quick, McGrew. Let me see this. See how this is whipped real good? It's not too clumpy. You have some little clumps in there, but it flows real well. See that? It's a whipped potato salad. That's what I like. So all we need to do is season a little bit of salt. Okay. All right, and I want to put my black pepper in there. All right. And all we need now is a taste tester. And we're going to get us a Yankee. Sarge! Yeah. My boy Sarge here. Works with me part-time too. Sarge is a transplanted Cajun. He's originally from Florida. So we're gonna let him taste this potato salad. For Sarge. Taste that, Sarge. This is good. No. This is phenomenal. Told you. We're gonna Zydeco.